That they've got sprinkler heads. Cooling system was the downstairs thermostat. They said that it was operational when they moved out of the house in November. LO142025224. It's a 5-ton unit. Maximum circuit breaker should be at 50. A lot of discoloration on the base of it. That's not cool. It's not cooling. It's a problem. That's this unit right here. This is your downstairs one. That one's the upstairs. That one's much newer. They set up the thermostat. The thermostat controls both the air and the heat, and they didn't mention there was a problem with the heat. So that's why we're gonna say it's probably the unit itself, not a thermostat. Downstairs AC is a problem, Jen.
Is it?
It's not the thermostat. It's the AC.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. There's 2 units, right?
It is.
Yeah.
The downstairs one is an original unit. It looks terrible and it sounds even worse.
Okay.
And it's not cooling. So
Okay.
we're warmer at the registers than we are at the air returns.
Jeez.